Yo, welcome my fellow DGens, it's your boy Hassan here, and today I'm going to be going over a new upcoming project by Kaiju King called Mutant Kaijus. As you see here on the from Coinbase NFT, they just announced a partnership with Kaiju Kingz, and as you know, this was around February 8th, and this led to a skyrocket in their volume, leading the the floor price to be a lot higher. And the next day they announced, the next day announced that Augminted Labs has successfully taken over Sorashima, and this is not a drill. New lab interns will be screened for a chance to receive their own personal mutant kaiju test subject starting today. And they basically did a preview on Twitter showcasing what one of the kaijus would look like. And in my opinion, this is a Kaiju King, and you don't want to miss out. You clearly have seen how well the project has done in the past, and this is something to not miss out on. As you know, Augminted Labs is the team that made Kaiju Kingz, and they did all the development, they founded it and everything, and they're basically doing the same thing with Mutant Kaijus. They're doing the development, the art, and all that. And just seeing this team, they basically formed an official company. Seeing this team, if you go on their site, like, they legitimately made everything basically legitimate. And as you see here, they basically created the project. And another project they created was Swampverse as well. Another thing to note is Rooftop Rampage is a part of the Kaiju Kingz ecosystem. So this is basically going to be the game for the kaijus, and I'm assuming it's going to be play to earn. And as you know, the token associated with kaijus is R-Waste. But unfortunately with these kaijus, you cannot yield, you can't yield R-Waste with the mutants. It's unfortunate, but it's whatever. You'll still hold the kaiju. You have access to all the alpha they provide, the network they have as well. Looking through the Discord now, you could see that they have a new section called Augminted Labs, and as you see here, you could go into the Discord and claim the lab coat, and you would have access to all of this. And as you see here on the top, roleplay as an Augminted Labs scientist to earn mintless slots for the new Mutant Kaiju collection. Right now, they have activities going on to get whitelist. Like as you see from yesterday, they showcased one of the baby kaijus, as you see here, and you basically had to draw it out and submit it here in the submissions channel, or thread, And as you see, people are doing it like here. And today they basically have something, make yourself useful, lab intern, or write up something that'll convince everybody that the lab is a great place to work for. And this is propaganda. These are the submissions. As you see here, I want you for the lab. This is following the Uncle Sam trend, as you know, for World War II. And here's a showcase for it. But they basically drop daily activities, or you could go in Augmented Labs. They have a thread. It's called Research. They closed it, unfortunately. But in that thread, you would basically type in your findings, record your findings, and showcase it in there. And if one of the overseers like it, they can upgrade you and you'll basically get whitelist. But right now they're just doing some role play sort of thing, and you just have to follow along and hope the best. I really emphasize to get whitelist for this project. As you know, it's Kaiju Kingz after all. And even though you can't produce R-Waste with it, it still doesn't matter. You'll have access to the game, and it's fucking Kaiju Kingz at the end of the day. Why don't you want to get in? But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I read and reply to all my comments, and I hope you have a wonderful day.